What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the WPL's new products. Now this is a 1/16 track. Now the prototype is Gaz, maybe I remember the tab is Gaz 76. Now let's unbox it. Here's the menus, Chinese and English menus, other stuffs, transmitters. Now this is a WPL E1. Let's look at it. This is a 1/16. Can put the roof out of. Tracks. Wheels. Now this is maybe the batteries here. Now here is the battery trees. You can put the batteries here, and this is an on-off switch. Now let's see it moves. The slowest control, slowest down. Left, right, left, right. When you put the sorry, the batteries is out. I don't know. This battery is small. Reshoot. Slow it, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. And it had headlights. So cheap.